Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am off to the gym, so I thought I'd just show you outfit real quick. Nothing special at all, just this black tank top from Forever 21, super old. These black or green camo leggings from Lululemon, and I just threw a TNA zip up over it because it's a little chilly. I'm about to go work out, and I will see you guys after. I am back from the gym. I had a great workout. And I want to show you guys the way I've been making my oatmeal lately, because I normally am not a person that loves oatmeal, especially with protein powder. I actually hated it with protein powder, but I found a way that is so good with protein powder. And then the way I used to eat it was just oatmeal with a bunch of like honey and fruit and then almond milk. And I enjoyed it that way, but I wasn't getting much protein in. So I found a way on TikTok actually that looked really good. I'm like, let me give it a try. So I actually did not my normal serving of oats. I did 1/4 cup of oats, and normally I do 1/2 cup because before the gym I did have a protein smoothie. So I don't eat too many oats right now. So I have my oats boiling, and what I'm going to do is add in a bunch of cinnamon. I like a lot. It gives it a lot of flavor. And then for the protein part, let me show you. This is the magic key. So I have this little bowl. And normally I put in 1 full scoop of protein powder, but I'm only doing 1/2 scoop since I don't have that many oats. It's going to be like overpowering. And this protein is so good, guys. It has really clean ingredients. So I would suggest trying Levels Protein. And it's actually at a really good price. I think it's like 34 bucks for this tub. So it's not super expensive for being super clean. I have, what is it? Chocolate mocha. Yeah, chocolate mocha, which is really good if you like coffee. It has like a coffee taste. And this one's vanilla, and it's not a heavy vanilla. So I really like it. And the ingredients are whey protein concentrate, vanilla extract, sunflower lecithin, sea salt, stevia leaf extract, and monk fruit extract. So you're not disrupting your gut while you're eating or drinking this. So that's what I like. I really want to try the strawberry flavor. I'm like talking so much right now. I don't know why. I got a burst of energy. But I ran out of my homemade almond milk that I like to have normally, so I'm using this crap. But I put very little almond milk. Start off very small. Grab a fork and just whisk it. Still too clumpy, so I'm going to add in a tad more. Oops, that was probably too much. That was a little too much. It's really creamy now. You want it to be a little less creamy than this, but it's not bad. So now I'm just going to let my oats cook. I'm going to chop up some fruit. Okay, my oats are all cooked, and this serving is literally tiny. I should have done 1/2 cup, but whatever. So here we're going to add in our protein powder concoction. And I'm not one that can eat dry, chalky oats. I always have to add in almond milk and kind of make it like a cereal, where it's like a lot of milk. But with this, I don't have to because it makes it so creamy and liquidy and delicious. And now you're just going to mix it all up. And look how milky it makes it. And now I just have some chopped up strawberries. And then we're going to add some honey, and you are all set, guys. This is so good. I've really been enjoying it lately. And obviously you can add chia seeds and flax seeds, which I should have, I forgot to. But I've been loving this oatmeal lately. So I just ate my oatmeal. It was so delicious. And now today's content day, so I'm filming some YouTube videos, TikTok, so I'm gonna shower up and get ready for that, and then I will check back in with you guys later. Actually, before I showered, I almost forgot. I have to take my magnesium little supplement. This is from, this is from Symbiotica. So what I've been doing is I've been taking these and just putting them into my water because they come in little packets. And there's all different kinds of magnesiums and they do different things. This one specifically is magnesium L-threonate. I believe that's how you say it. And this is in the flavor vanilla cream, and the flavor's okay. I just put it in water and mix it and then just shoot it down. This is supposed to help with memory improvement and mood balance, neuroprotection, and brain power. So I like to take this in the morning, even though it's like afternoon right now, but I just mix it with this little blender and just shoot it down. I really love Symbiotica because the quality of their supplements are insane. I listened to a podcast on the Skinny Confidential, so I highly recommend listening to that podcast because that man that owns the brand is a genius, and I love everything he does. So I've been buying a lot of his products. I have the topical magnesium. I put that on before bed. You just spray it on. And then I have the vitamin D3 plus K2 plus CoQ10, and then also their B12 plus B6. My goal is to get the whole line. I'm not that good at taking vitamins, but since I've gotten Symbiotica, I've been super good about it. But I have all these other supplements in here, so I promised myself when I finish all my other supplements, then I can buy Symbiotica's line. But yeah, so I've been really loving that, and I also want to get the activated charcoal. That is really good for detoxing and getting binding out the toxins out of your body. So love that. And also this morning I showed you guys this L-glutamine that I've been taking, and I'm really on a journey trying to repair my gut. I've always been bloated and I've always had stomach issues, and I'm just kind of tired of it. So I'm just trying to do things to really prevent it, even though I just had some silk almond milk and that's terrible. But you know, do what you can. Start somewhere. You know, you can't just go cold turkey and full force into things. It's not easy. So I'm just starting off slowly and just seeing how I feel, and just trying to be consistent with everything and eat foods that help heal my gut. Minus having things here and there, but we're not all perfect, so don't beat yourself up for it. I'm really good at beating myself up over things, so I'm just trying to go with the flow and do the best that I can instead of always being so hard on myself. So that's what I've been doing. Super big on trying to feel my absolute best, and yeah, so I will link the Symbiotica things down below because you should definitely check them out. And the Skinny Confidential also has a code, so I think it gets you 15% off, the code SKINNY, so use that if you want to try. So now I'm gonna drink this and go shower. What a day it's been. I am starving. It is now time for lunch. I filmed a bunch of content, did some TikToks, went live on TikTok, got vlog footage, filmed a YouTube haul video. Guys, we're on it. Make sure to follow me on TikTok because I'm on fire today. Not don't follow me on TikTok because I'm on fire today, but just follow me on TikTok. But I'm starving now, so I'm just making a chicken salad after the gym today. We have a grocery store next to the gym I go to, so I just stopped and got this little ready salad, and I'm just gonna cook some chicken and then throw it in there real quickly. And yeah, that's what I've been up to. So time for lunch. Good morning, you guys. Sorry I look a little crazy. I'm all puffy and stuff. I didn't sleep so well, so I feel super groggy. But it is the next day. I'm going to work out with my trainer, my sister and I. And then we have a pretty busy day ahead of us, so I will definitely take you guys. Can't see you. Oh. Definitely we'll take you guys along. And yeah, see you guys in a bit. Hi you guys, I just got back from my workout, took a shower. It was killer per usual. Now I'm about to get ready to go to IKEA. Trying to slick back these baby hairs, and sorry if you can hear this fan in the back, it's super loud. I just thought I would show you guys what I'm going to do to prep my face. I'm not putting on any makeup, just a super simple little glow. I first use this Focus moisturizer that I've been using for a while now. I'm obsessed with it. So just put that all over my face. And now to give me some color, I'm using this tinted Ulta MD sunscreen mixed with this The Bronzy Glow Drops. Obsessed with these. I've been using these for a while now. So I just do a little pump of this on my fingertips and then add in a couple drops of the Bronzy. Just mix it together. My ear's all foggy, but I can't see what I'm doing. And then I have to comb out my eyebrows and stuff, but I'm going to moisturize my body first, and then I'll head into my guest room where I have my little makeup stand. But I then am going to moisturize my body with this Kiehl's Creme de Corpse. This is the best body lotion ever, ever, ever. I've been using it for years. It's so thick and moisturizing. It's all my husband and I will use. And then topping off the skincare with this Laneige lip mask. Obsessed with this. I'm sure everyone's tried it by now. But if you haven't, you have to, because it's so good. And it gives your lips like the prettiest little gloss, so I really love it. So now I'm going to moisturize my body. Actually, I want to show you guys my body wash. I just threw it out because I ran out. This body wash I've been also using for years. It's this is the hemp. Oh yeah, it is unscented, this one. It is amazing, and it's so clean and good, so it doesn't have any harsh chemicals or anything like that. So if you're looking to make a switch to a clean air body wash, get that one. It is a little pricey. I think it's like 12 bucks for that big jug, but it's so good. My husband literally will not listen to use any other body wash. It's so amazing. So yeah, that's my little body care. Off to moisturize. Okay, so now we're all dressed and ready. This literally takes 2 seconds. All I do is comb my brows a little because they get crazy. And then I throw in this Essence Lash and Brow Gel just to tame them a little bit. And I love a bright under eye. I look like a little boy right now. This bun. I'm just taking this Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline and then just rubbing it in. And normally I always use a wet beauty blender, but we're not doing a full look. This is all we're doing. So that's it. So here's my little fit of the day. I'm wearing John's Talentless shirt and bone, and then these chocolate brown bike shorts from Aritzia, and probably just gonna throw on a pair of Yeezys. Super comfortable and simple. And I have to wear long sleeves in the summertime because these stores love to crank the AC, so I freeze to death and then I'm like sweating in the car. So there's that. Off to the stores. So we never ended up going to IKEA. We went to the mall. I got John a couple things, and then we went to lunch at a place called, I'm blanking, Alexandria. And then we're supposed to go to IKEA, and then like I mentioned this morning, I slept like crap, so I've just been so tired all day. And I came home and I took a little nap, and now I feel so much better. And I'm about to go grab dinner with my mom and my sister and my brother. So that's really it. Just super chill night with the family. And I'm wearing the simplest outfit ever. Just white crop tee and some jeans. And then some kind of tan sandals or something. I don't know. But about to leave for dinner. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. We had my brother Peter sleep over last night. We just got dinner and had a super chill night. And now we are about to go to Target. I need to grab some things like body wash and a bunch of random little things. And I gotta drop some stuff off at the post office. And then I have to finish cleaning my house today because it needs to be cleaned. So I got a couple things to clean up, and then it's gonna be a beautiful day. So I think me and this guy are going to the pool to hang out. But I am so sore from my workout yesterday. I need to take an Epsom salt bath tonight. I absolutely need to, because my body is like beat. But anyways, off to Target. We had the most chill day ever. We just went to the pool, went to Target. Went to Target first, then went to the pool and just chilled. And now we are just winding down, and I think I'm going to end off this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.